Dustin, come on, you know.
Get in! Yeah! What'd you just do? It's fucking scoring.
It's like at GoArmy.com.
Dustin, what do you want me to do? Now, you know we talked about this before. About this bottle, come on.
Can't take this federal. No way. Dude, I'm gonna get some clips.
Save a horse, ride a cowboy.
Whoa.
Grab my book bag.
Someone. Like. I haven't seen that in so long. Keep going. Yo, you gotta get my sweatpants on camera, dude. Like, dude, I know. Alright, now, Zach. I know. You just want to let it out now. Because I know there's no serious moment in your life. Ever. So you know what? Just let it out now. You know what, Michael? Just move up. Just move up. I'm sick of this. You just stop talking. The fall. Go, get up now. You know what, Dominic? Put the book away. Put the book away. You know what? I told you twice. I told you the first time. That's all you can. Put the book away now.